Tired of drowning in emails? Let's build a life raft. In this video, you'll learn how to connect Gmail to N8n, unlocking powerful email automation workflows. First, open your N8n instance. Will begin with a blank canvas, but you can easily adapt these steps to an existing workflow. Drag in a start node from the left panel. This is what triggers your automation. Next, find and add a Gmail node. Notice has two modes: trigger, which listens for incoming emails, and action, which performs tasks like sending emails. For this example, let's assume we want to automate sending emails, so we'll stick with an action. Now, click on the Gmail node to configure it. The first thing you need to do is authenticate. With Google, select Create New Credential from the Authentication drop-down. A pop-up window will appear, redirecting you to Google. Sign into the Google account you want to connect and grant N8n the necessary permissions. This is crucial for N8n to access your Gmail. Once authenticated, return to N8n in the Gmail node. Select the Send Email operation. Now, fill in the recipient's email address in the To field, and add a subject and body for your automated email. Click the Execute Node button to test your connection. If all goes well, you'll see a success message and the email will be sent from your Gmail account. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Gmail to N8n. From here, you can build incredibly powerful automations, like automatically saving email attachments to Google Drive, sending welcome emails to new subscribers, or even creating personalized email sequences. Start exploring the possibilities of email automation with N8n today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more N8n tutorials. #N8n Gmail #Email automation.